What is a light year? Space is big, really big. When we talk about stars and galaxies, miles just won't cut it. That's where the light year comes in. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. That's a long way. Light travels incredibly fast, about 186,000 miles per second. Think about that for a second. In just 1 second, light could travel around the Earth 7.5 times. Now imagine it traveling for a whole year. The result is a mind-boggling distance, about 5.88 trillion miles. That's a 5 followed by 12 zeros. We use light years to measure distances in space because the numbers are more manageable. Instead of dealing with trillions and quadrillions of miles, we can talk about distances in terms of how many years it takes light to travel that far. It's a bit like saying, a trip takes 3 hours instead of 180 minutes. It just makes things easier to grasp. Across the universe, why light years matter. Light years are important because they help us understand the vastness of the universe. When we look up at the stars, we're seeing light that has traveled for years, even centuries, to reach our eyes. That means we're not just seeing stars as they are now, but as they were in the past. For example, the nearest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.24 light years away. That means the light we see from Proxima Centauri today left the star over 4 years ago. It's like looking back in time. The farther away an object is, the farther back in time we're looking. This allows astronomers to study the early universe by observing distant galaxies. It's like having a time machine. Light years are key to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. Measuring the cosmos. How far is that star? But how do astronomers actually measure distances in light years? It's a bit like using a cosmic ruler. One method is called parallax. Hold your finger out in front of you and close one eye, then the other. Notice how your finger seems to jump back and forth? That's parallax. Astronomers use a similar principle to measure the distance to nearby stars. They observe a star from 2 different points in Earth's orbit, 6 months apart. By measuring the tiny shift in the star's apparent position, they can calculate its distance using trigonometry. For more distant objects, astronomers use other methods, like comparing a star's brightness to its actual luminosity. It's like judging the distance to a light bulb based on how bright it appears. By combining different techniques, astronomers can create a cosmic distance ladder, reaching farther and farther into the universe. Galactic Wonders fun facts about our universe. Our Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light years across. That's a lot of stars. And that's just one galaxy in a universe filled with billions of galaxies. Some galaxies are even bigger than our own. Did you know that there are galaxies out there colliding with each other? It's true, the Andromeda galaxy is on a collision course with our own Milky Way. But don't worry, it won't happen for another 4 billion years or so. The universe is full of amazing and mysterious objects, black holes, neutron stars, quasars. By studying these objects, we can learn more about the laws of physics and the origins of the universe. Understanding light years helps us appreciate the vastness of space and the incredible journey light takes to reach us. It's a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. So next time you look up at the stars, remember the amazing journey that light has taken to illuminate our night sky. Light from the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, takes over 4 years to reach us. And light from some of the most distant galaxies we can see has traveled for billions of years. This means when we look at these distant objects, we are actually looking back in time. Light years not only measure distance, but also the history of the universe. In conclusion, light years are an essential tool for understanding the vast distances in our universe. They help us measure and comprehend the immense scale of space, allowing us to explore the cosmos and uncover its many mysteries. By knowing how far light travels in a year, we can map out the universe, study celestial objects, and even look back in time to understand the origins of everything we see. Imagine the journey of a single photon of light traveling across unimaginable distances to finally reach our eyes. Each light year traveled brings with it stories from distant stars, nebulae, and galaxies. These stories help scientists piece together the grand puzzle of our cosmos, revealing the intricate dance of celestial bodies and the fundamental laws that govern them. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. As we continue to explore, measure, and understand the universe, we gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible scale and beauty of the space that surrounds us. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and wondering about the incredible universe we live in.